Welcome to our channel's video on mastering male hygiene. In this video, we'll be sharing 12 essential tips that every man should follow to maintain their cleanliness and personal care. So let's jump right in. Tip number 1, take care of your hair. Use a quality shampoo and conditioner to keep your hair clean and healthy. Tip number 2, maintain good oral hygiene. Brush your teeth at least twice a day and don't forget to floss. Regular visits to the dentist are also a must for healthy teeth and gums. Tip number 3, keep your nails tidy. Trim them regularly and prevent dirt buildup by using a nail brush. Tip number 4, pay attention to your facial hair. Whether you have a beard or prefer a clean-shaven look, groom it regularly to maintain your desired style and avoid a scruffy appearance. Tip number 5, protect your skin. Apply sunscreen when going outside to shield your skin from sun damage. Remember, it's never too late to start caring for your skin. Tip number 6, don't forget the basics. Take a shower daily, use a good body wash, and don't rush through the process. Give your body the time it needs to be cleaned properly. Tip number 7, mind your feet. Wash them thoroughly, keep your toenails trimmed, and wear clean socks to prevent odor and infections. Tip number 8, freshen up your scent. Use a deodorant or antiperspirant to keep body odor at bay. A pleasant fragrance can go a long way in improving your confidence. Tip number 9, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water not only benefits your overall health but also keeps your skin hydrated and looking great. Tip number 10, dress for success. Wearing clean and freshly laundered clothing, along with properly ironed outfits, can make a significant difference in your appearance. Tip number 11, stay on top of your laundry. Regularly wash your clothes, including underwear and socks, to maintain cleanliness and prevent unpleasant odors. Tip number 12, don't overlook hand hygiene. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water, especially before meals and after using the restroom. Thanks for watching this video on mastering male hygiene. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they inspire you to maintain a clean and well-groomed routine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Stay clean and stay confident.